Hello everyone, good morning, welcome back to my blog, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me again, Espinay Vlog. For today's vlog, we're having our traditional um, breakfast, snack, or dessert, or whatever you call, and our traditional Filipino style on holidays. We have bibingka, a special bibingka rice, bibingka made it with rice. We call bibingka is a rice cake here in the US. So bibingka in the Philippines tradition is made it with rice, sugar, and coconut with wrap and banana. So this is hot bibingka, is courtesy from my daughter. She got it from St. Louis Oriental Market in Missouri. So this is my pasalubong bibingka. Is our tradition in the Philippines for like holiday, Christmas and New Year. Bibingka rice, made it with rice and coconut and sugar. So it's yummy, delicious, perfect for breakfast with Core Power high protein milkshake, 26-gram complete protein. So let's go, enjoy, and God bless, and let's have some healthy breakfast and delicious, yummy, and nutritious. So let's go everyone, join me in what you guys waiting for. Come and join me, and God bless everyone. Mega shout out to all the viewers, subscribers. Hello to you all. Like and share and subscribe if you haven't like and share to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to pull the notification bell. Please pull the notification bell, like and share, and subscribe as well. And mega shout out to all the viewers, subscribers. Hello everyone. Let's have some bibingka for breakfast, and God bless everyone. Happy holidays. Holiday season is coming. It's December 1st, 2025. So let's enjoy, and God bless you all. And so long. See you again soon for the next vlog. Thank you for watching. And please like and share and subscribe. And help me to make my YouTube channel, to make it big, more subscriber, over 1K before end of this year if I can. Please help me to support my YouTube channel big and more subscriber before end of this year. Thank you for watching. God bless. So long, and see you again soon for the next vlog. It's me again, Espinay Vlog, saying I love you guys and love you all, and like and share and subscribe. Take care and be safe as always, and God bless everyone. Enjoy, and see you again soon for the next vlog. Thank you for watching.